Good morning, YouTube. This is Carl Ellwein at the Ellwein Engines Race Shop. I've got a motor build right here getting ready to go to the engine dyno. This pressure up of the oil system is usually done, and especially before I send a motor out. This engine's going to the dyno Monday. It's a blower motor, 8.84 static compression ratio. It's got advanced induction trick flow heads at 60 cc's, combustion chamber. It's got Wiseco minus 32 sort of a dome dish piston, and it's got the good Callie's rotating assembly big block Chevy nose for a blower motor. So I've already messed up my first video doing this. The cell phone started off in vertical mode instead of horizontal. So the rockers already got oil to them. I wanted to show that process, but they've already pumped up with oil. Well, anyway, we got a nice oil pan here I wanted to show you, along with the TPIS timing cover that's got the big block Chevy opening there for a seal, and the the big block Chevy hub size. The torque head sensing unit also. Now this hub is provided by torque head. The TPIS timing cover is provided by TPIS. So here's the Ellwein Steph's oil pan. This one's got a few extra bungs. It's got turbo drain back right here. I put a cap on it for this test. All my oil pans come with this, a bung for the stock oil level sensing unit, or excuse me, the switch. I always put a sight glass in there. Nice thick flange. Over on this side also a bung for turbo drain back, and I just got a rubber cap on it for this test because I don't have a nice fancy aluminum. So what we'd have here are nice hydraulic roller lifters, link bar. These are from Crower, and they're actually Johnson lifters. So Crower and Johnson have a deal going there. This oil pump that is a standard volume, but it's a high pressure spring. It's the Melling shark's tooth, and it's this one right over here, the 10554 shark's tooth. So it'll say at the Summit web page that it's standard pressure, but it comes with the high pressure spring. I usually get 70 to 75 psig on my gauge whenever it's a high pressure spring. That's what I'm getting here. Well, I'm going to start this drill. It's going to get noisy. I was going to show you oil getting to the rockers, but it's already there. But here we go. Need to work on this side. But I'll do that off camera. All right.